can you only sign off at QWE if undertaken in your firm? So you've just explained that it would be your advice strongly to only do that. That's what you've actually seen, isn't it? That's what you can endorse. And then Vanessa says, what if they were a paralegal previously and asked you to sign that off? I guess that advice stands then. If it was somewhere else, let them sign it off. This is your part of your work with them. You sign this off. But if they were a paralegal in your organization and then switching to become a trainee solicitor, then yes, you would be signing that off, wouldn't you? It doesn't matter what their job title is, really, does it? It's about the work that they're doing.
Yeah. So if someone has worked as a paralegal in your firm and then moved on to your more official training program, that's all internal stuff. The SRA is completely not interested in what the description of the job is called. It's the nature of the work, which is really good because they're looking through whatever, games people might play with putting names on people. If they've been a paralegal and they have been providing legal services, that is QWE. Whether you then put them on the training contract, because that's what you want to call that particular form of employment, that still presumably is QWE as well. So as far as the SRA is concerned, it sees past all of that just to the nature of the work that's being done. Is it the provision of legal services? Yes, it's QWE. No, it's not. And then it's a common sense approach. So I tend to run a rule of thumb that if someone is doing 80% QWE, that's close enough. If it's 50%, then that's going to take 4 years to get 2 years full-time equivalent. They do 50% qualifying work experience, the provision of legal services. Or they're spending 50% of their time managing and 50% of their time delivering legal services. That could be a situation where someone is doing that. Let's say an HR department, they're managing the team and 50% of the time they're actually delivering legal services to the company as the HR manager. So, yeah, but they may be able to reach back in time over 10 years while they've been doing that. So they've got plenty of QWE.
Yes, and we see that often actually where people have sort of 50-50 in exactly that way because they're running a department or an organization where they don't have a full sort of caseload, and it's taking them a little bit, despite huge amounts of experience, it's taking them a little bit longer,